If you have multiple progressive web apps installed on your Mac, you may eventually want to remove some that you no longer use. The good thing is that you don't need to go through a complicated process to uninstall a web app. You can remove it directly from the app itself, and if you want, you can also delete the data associated with that app at the same time. So, let's see how to uninstall a progressive web app from your Mac. First, open the web app that you want to uninstall. Once the app window opens, look in the upper right corner. Here, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click on it and select Uninstall from the menu that appears. Next, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you want to uninstall the app. Here, you'll also see an option to delete the data associated with this app from Google Chrome. If you want to completely remove the app, along with its stored data, simply check this option. And finally, click Uninstall. The progressive web app will now be removed from your Mac. And if you selected the option to delete its data, the data associated with that particular app will also be removed from Google Chrome. That's it. We hope this guide helped you uninstall a progressive web app from your Mac. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful Mac tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.